Hi, this video is basically intended to help you out with how to do the more connections or send more invitations to people and thus achieve your target more than like what I have set for you. So if you are working on a part-time, which is basically 4 hours, you are expected to do 400 connections in 4 hours. Now I will show you how you can overdo this particular target of 400 in 4 hours to 600 in 4 hours. It's a simple procedure which you have to follow, which I will show you in this video. Now as you see, there are 2 browser windows opened. One is a LinkedIn browser window and another window is the online file which I have shared with you. Now to toggle between the windows, you can use the shortcut keyboards, like the keyboard shortcut like Alt Tab. I repeat, it is Alt Tab. So as you keep pressing the Alt Tab, the browser window toggles between the online data sheet and your LinkedIn profile. Now come on to the right side of the profile page, copy the name. So over here it's Rachel Copeland. Do a Control C over there rather than clicking the mouse, and doing a copy over there. And doing a copy over there, that's going to consume more time. So what you do is select the name from right to left. I repeat, it's from right to left. Select the name, do a Control C on the keyboard. It's Control C, which basically copies the name. Do a Control C on the keyboard and then do Alt Tab, which takes you to the other window. Over here do Control F and then do Control V. And you see the name is not there matching in with any other names in the data sheet. So it's shown as 0 of 0 over here. See, it's 0 of 0 over here. So that means the name Rachel Copeland is not there in the data sheet. Then what you do is, on the assigned column for you in the Excel sheet, select your column and paste that name over there by Control V. Because all these keyboard shortcuts will help you out in saving the time. So now you do a Control V, the name gets pasted over there. Do an Alt Tab, it goes to the other page. Right click on the connect link over there, open in a new tab. Then don't go after that new tab, just leave it over there. Come on to the other image, copy the name Alison Moss, do Control C, which basically copies the name, do Alt Tab, which toggles the window. Over here do Control F and then do a Control V, which basically search whether Alison Moss is there or not. And see, as of now it shows us 1 of 1. That means Alison Moss is somewhere matching with another name on this file. So skip that, do Alt Tab, toggle the window, go to the third image, select the name Toby Sandler, Control C, toggle the window, Control F and Control V. Search for Toby Sadler, it's showing 0 of 0. So that means it's not matching. Paste that name over here on your row, go to the other page, on the Toby Sandler, right click the connect button and open in a new tab. Leave it like that, go to the third image, again repeat the same. David Riley, copy the name and do Control C. Change the browser window using Alt Tab, then do Control F and then Control V. So it's searching for David Riley and it's again 0 0. That means it's not matching. So then click on a particular cell, okay, like in the Excel sheet, do a Control V, which pastes the name over there. Do Alt Tab, which takes you to the other window. Go on to the connect link over there and then open that in a new tab and leave it over there. Now maybe you can like that, okay, after you open like 3 to 4 new tabs, you can now open the second tab. The second tab, okay, actually I have invited earlier, so just skip on the second tab. Yeah, open this tab, okay, click the friend, send the invitation, go to the third tab, select the friend, send invitation over there. Now In the meantime, okay, like the second tab's invitation is already sent, you can close that window, you come back, the other tab's invitation is already sent, close the window, repeat the same procedure. Since this page is already exhausted, hit the forward arrow over here, which will refresh the list. Now unfortunately the list over here is exhausted, so you have to open up a new page. So click on over here, what we do is, okay, like we open up a new profile page over here, Rachel Copeland, select the name, click on it on the same page, and the new profile page comes up. Again, have your focus on to people similar to Rachel, and over here the first name is Fiona Dewar. Copy the name, Control C, the other page, Control F, Control V. It's not matching. If you see, it's 0 of 0, so it's not matching. So on a particular cell, paste it over here, Control V, come to the other page, hit the connect, open in a new tab, and that's it. Leave the tab over there, don't go behind it and then try to invite it. After opening 3-4 invitations in the new tabs, then later stage you can come back and then, okay, like invite that person. Thank you.